In this video, I will teach you how to perform VLOOKUP across multiple worksheets. Now, if you take a look at this data, I have the city here, I have the months here, January, February, March, and April. And if you look at the January sheet, I have the city and the number of cars that were sold in January. The same way, when you come to February, I have the city and I have the number of cars that were sold in February. Now, when you go to March, it's the same data, and April we also have the same data. Now back to the data sheet. Here, if we wanted to borrow this data here and bring it to the data sheet here and put it on this January column, we will be able to do that using VLOOKUP. And because they are in different sheet, it's going to be a little bit tricky. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to exactly do that. To do that, go to this cell, because we want to borrow the January sales into the data sheet. We click on the cell and go to the formula bar, then type =, VLOOKUP. Then I press tab to complete it. Now the first argument we put is the lookup value. What value are we looking up for? We are looking up for the city. So go to the table of January and then select the city. Then when we select the city, you see here we want to lock it, so we pressed F4 on the keyboard to add the dollar signs behind the A. Then we bring a comma, and the next value we will need, or the next argument we need, is the table array. And the table array is the table of data or the range of data in which you are looking for that value. So we go to the January sheet, then select this data. So Control Shift down arrow key to select the entire data. Again, we press F4 to lock it with the dollar signs. So I'll press comma, and the next argument that we will need is the column index number. Now the column index number is the position of the column of the value you are looking for in the table array, which is January here, which is column 2. So we put 2, then a comma, and the last argument we need is either exact match or appropriate match. So we are looking for an exact match, so we either put 0 or false. Any of them will work for you. Then close the bracket, then hit enter. Then it's only telling me that the formula misspelled, so I just click yes, and then now we have our data that was sold in January. So this is the number of cars that were sold in this particular city in January. So I double click on this to copy the formula downwards, and now we have the sales in this cities for the month of January. Now let's do that for the same on February. So we go to February and go to the formula bar, use type =, VLOOKUP. Alright, then the first argument is the lookup value. So the lookup value we are looking for is the city. So we go there and select the city, and then we press F4 to lock it, comma. Then now the next is the table array, and the table array we know is this right here. So select this, Control Shift down arrow key to select it. Then we press F4 to lock it, comma, and the next argument is the column index number, which we said is the position of the column of the values we are looking for in our table array. So it is 2, so we press 2 and then comma, and then here we will be asked for the last argument, which is the exact match or appropriate or the proximate match, which is either the true match or the false match. So we press we type false or 0 will still give us the same result. Close the bracket, hit enter, and then they are only reminding me that it may spell, so I click yes, and then we have the value here. So if I double click on this, it will copy the formula down, and then we have it. And that is how we perform VLOOKUP across multiple sheets in Excel. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next video. If you are new here, subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.